Welcome to Industry Recycles. This is one of our featured products. It is a 6 by 12 inch surface bench grinder. It is 3/4 horsepower, 115 volt. It can be wired for 230 volt. And it appears to be slightly used. The reason why we're saying it's used is because, as you can see, some of the hot grinds hit this panel in the back here. So we're going to call it slightly used. It looks like a brand new machine. It's in very good condition, and it does run well. We currently have it powered up. We wired it up with a 110 cord, and we're going to power it up so you can see it run. All the functions appear to work fine on this. The X and Y axis work fine, as well as the table here. As you can see, this moves back smoothly here, as well as the up and down here. So there you have it. 6 by 12 surface bench grinder, and we thank you for looking at our product.